Hey there, I'm John from Hand Tool Homeschool, where we are bringing homeschool dads and kids together one woodworking project at a time. And I'm so glad that you are here. First, I want to wish you a happy new year and an awesome 2018. And I'm so excited this year because I'm looking forward to launching this idea of Hand Tool Homeschool. I've wanted to do this for a couple of years, and now here we are. So I'm excited to show you what it looks like to start woodworking as a beginner. I've only been into it for a couple of years, but I can give you some great tips, tricks, methods, techniques, and show you some really cool projects. So what we're going to do is every week I'm going to have a video that I release showing tips, tricks, methods that will lead you up to the final project at the end of the month. So the way we're going to do it is each week will be some sort of short video that explains different parts of the project that's going to be released at the end of the month. So it'll be the fourth or fifth week, depending on the month, when you get the full project. But leading up to that, you'll know the materials that you need to have, and you will know, like I said, techniques and things that you will need to do in order to complete that project. And you can practice those along the way while you're waiting for the project to be released. So I think that's a good progression. That's what I plan on doing. And we'll do a little testing, see how it goes. We'll throw things in here and there, and I'll ask you guys how you like things. And I'm looking forward to your feedback on that. So I'm looking forward to serving the homeschool community. It's just a great community. My family homeschools and we love it. Can't get enough of you guys. You're the coolest people in the world. And I'm really excited that you're here. So if you like this video and you like the content that I'm putting out, I'd love it if you would subscribe. And if you do that, you'll see it either below this video or on my about page. There's different sidebars where you can go ahead and subscribe, and when you do that, it's going to send you an email with a link to a free guide that I have to show you the core essential tools that I think you should start off with. And there's many tools you're going to need along the way, but these will get you started, definitely get you started making projects right away. So that guide, I think it's pretty awesome. I'm excited about it, and I hope that you like it. And then also along the way, you're going to get all the weekly tips and tricks through email as well when you subscribe. And then from there, you can also head on over to my YouTube channel as well. I have links to that on my website, and if you like that, please subscribe. So again, thanks for watching. I look forward to 2018 and seeing what you're doing and hearing from you. And please let me know if there's any way that I can serve you and help you better. I'll be happy to do so. So thanks again. Happy New Year. Take care and God bless.